Then unit of measure, shortly UOM. In a business, we can purchase items in one unit and sell them in various units. For example, we can purchase chocolate as cartons and sell them in pieces or as whole cartons. Here, carton is on unit, similarly, piece is on another unit. Here, we create two units. One is PCS, that is piece. That means we can sell chocolate in the form of one piece. So enter 1 in conversion rate. And we create another one unit named 50 pieces. That is one carton. One carton has 50 pieces of chocolates. So enter 50 in conversion rate. While creating multiple units, we must set one unit as base unit. It is mandatory. Here the smallest unit is pieces, that is PCS. So we set it as base unit. Then I create another one unit named 50 PCS, that is one carton. Here one carton contains 50 pieces and I enter 50 under the conversion rate. Here instead of 50 PCS I can enter another name carton. We can give any name for our reference, and here this 50 refers to the number of units multiplied by the base unit, that is 50 into 1 here, which gives us 50. Here I give same names for plural name, abbreviation and plural abbreviation for the sake of simplicity. Then I enter PCS for type name because here we mostly sell this item in the form of single piece. So this is the preferred sale unit. So I enter this preferred sale unit name here. We can enter even any name in this field for our reference. Let's see another one example. Here we purchase 7 bottles in the form of carton. One carton contains 10 pieces and we stock them in carton, but we sell them in either carton or as a single piece, that is single bottle. And I create two units. One is PC and another one is 10 pieces per carton. The rest of the stuff is as similar as in the previous example. The only difference is in previous example one carton contains 50 pieces, but here one carton contains 10 pieces. Here I give the type name as 10 pieces per carton because it is the most preferable sales unit. But in the previous example I gave the type name as pieces because in that case pieces is the most preferable sales unit. We can give any name for our reference. While creating the item record, we must specify the different unit types such as primary unit types, primary stock, purchase and sales unit in that record. Here you can see those details. In this item record named 7app, you can see the quantity on hand is 28 and quantity on hand base unit is 280. The 28 shows the number of cartons and the 280 shows the number of pieces. I already told you that each carton contains 10 7-Up bottles, so it shows 280 under the quantity on hand base unit. Well, let's come to the steps for creating this unit of measure. Go to lists, accounting, then units of measure and then click on new. Now a page will be opened like this. Enter the type name and then enter the unit name and its conversion rate and set the PCS unit as base unit and then enter the another unit 50 PCS, which is one carton, and enter the 50 under the conversion rate I explained already about these things in detail, so I skip them now. And here I give the name PCS under the type name, because the PCS, that is single piece, is the most preferable sales unit, so I give this name here. We can give any name for our reference. Okay, finally click on the save button. Now this unit is successfully created. Next, move to the demo part of this lecture. Go to lists, accounting, then unit of measure, and then click on this new. Then a page will be opened like this. Here we need to enter the type name. I already explained all stuff such as type name, plural name, abbreviation, plural abbreviation, conversion rate, and base unit in the explanation section. If you want to know about this, kindly go to that section. Here just I show the steps in this demo how to create and save units. Here I create two units. First one is pieces, that is PCS, which is used for selling chocolate as a single piece, and the second unit is 50 pieces, which is used for selling chocolates in the form of cartons. Each carton contains 50 pieces. Then I set the first unit PCS as base unit. It is mandatory we must assign one unit as base unit if we create multiple units. Here the pieces is the smallest unit, so I set this unit as base unit. Then I enter the conversion rate 1 for first unit and 50 for second unit. Finally, let's click on save button. Now we have successfully created. Here I give PCS for this type name because in this scenario the most preferable sales unit is pieces and not carton. We can give any name for our reference. If you can't understand clearly, then no problem. In the upcoming lessons you can understand its usages practically. Then open units of measure list, and if you want to make any changes, then we can click on edit to make changes as shown here. You can buy my course Oracle NetSuite Comprehensive Complete Reference through the link given below. There you can learn NetSuite 100% practically from scratch. The lectures in this course is structured in two modules. The first one is explanation module and the second one is practical demo module. And I also covered the accounting aspect of various processes so that you can learn accounting alongside.